Part 8. Humanity, the Real Mystery. In the previous episode, humanity explored the possibility that alien life may not come from distant planets, but from hidden dimensions, existing alongside reality itself. The interdimensional theory suggested that what humans call unexplained phenomena may simply be reality overlapping with something beyond perception. But after all these theories, a deeper question begins to emerge. Not about aliens, not about dimensions, but about humanity itself. Because every theory in this series eventually leads back to the same place. The only known world where intelligence has awakened and started asking questions about the universe. Humans have built telescopes capable of observing galaxies billions of light years away. They have decoded the structure of DNA, created machines that simulate thought, and sent probes beyond the edge of the solar system. By any measure, humanity is extraordinary. And yet, this same species struggles with contradiction. A civilization capable of incredible creativity, but also capable of destruction on a massive scale. War, poverty, division, environmental collapse, fear. The same intelligence that reaches for the stars also turns inward against itself. And perhaps that is the real mystery. Not whether aliens exist, but why a species like this exists at all. Some theories suggest intelligence in the universe may be common. Others suggest it may be extremely rare. But neither answer explains humanity fully. Because humanity is not just intelligent. It is self-aware. It reflects on its own existence. It questions its own purpose. It builds stories about the universe, and then questions those stories. And that loop of awareness is what makes humans unique. In every alien theory explored so far, Fermi paradox, Great Filter, Dark Forest, Zoo hypothesis, ancient astronauts, simulation theory, interdimensional beings, the conclusion slowly shifts away from outer space, toward inner space, toward the human mind. Because the more humanity searches for alien intelligence, the more it reveals its own intelligence and its own fear. Fear of being alone. Fear of being insignificant. Fear of being temporary. But also curiosity, imagination, hope, the desire to understand existence itself. And maybe that is why these theories exist at all. Not because aliens are necessarily real, but because humans are aware enough to ask whether they are alone in the first place. That question alone separates humanity from everything else known in existence. But there is one final unsettling possibility. What if humanity is not the beginning of intelligence, and not the end, but just one brief moment? Inside a much larger cosmic process, civilizations may rise and fall across the universe. Some may survive. Some may disappear. Some may never reach beyond their own planets. And perhaps humanity is simply one stage in that unknown pattern, looking outward, searching for answers, while unknowingly being part of the same mystery it studies. Maybe the universe is filled with life. Maybe it is empty. Maybe reality is physical. Or maybe it is not. But all those possibilities lead to the same conclusion. Humanity is still at the center of its own question. And until that question is answered, the silence of the universe remains. Not as emptiness, but as uncertainty. And perhaps the greatest truth hidden in all alien theories is this. The universe does not feel silent because nothing is there. It feels silent because humanity is still learning how to listen.